Alright guys, well, I'm out walking with my mom around Cultus Lake and got a little hungry, so we decided to visit Burger Bar. Yeah, you should definitely get out here and check this place out. See, the burgers were amazing, fries really, really good, service, huge smile. You can see it right through their mask. Let's go in and say hi. So this is it, guys. This is a burger bar. Take a look around. Oh yeah, at any time you can hit pause. So if you hit pause, you can still look around. Take a look at this brand new sign. Oh my goodness. Very, very cool. Take a look at the menu, guys. You won't be disappointed. Who is this standing in front of me?
Hello, I'm Noel.
Hey, Noel.
Jimmy?
Yeah.
Can't shake hands, COVID.
There you go, COVID. Boom. Dude, it's really nice place you got here.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, very good food. So what do you have to say to anybody that wants to come by?
Come try Boomer Burger. It's worth it.
Boomer Burger.
Absolutely. Boomer Burger and fries.
Any other thoughts about this location? What do you think? It's going to be...
It's going to be busy in the summer.
Busy in the summer, right?
We have our no parking signs, so we had somebody drive through and park right here, took out our whole dining area.
Well, there you
So
go.
we put it all back together and pretty happy with how it turned out. So, but please no parking inside of our building.
Makes sense. For you guys coming down here, no parking inside the building. Outside is fine, but come enjoy these burgers.
Yes, sir.
Right? Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and have a good day.